Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your buddy here, hoping you're all doing great. In this video, we will learn how to make a table in HTML. Everyone, let's get started with making an HTML table. Imagine we want to create a gym schedule and show which body parts correspond to each day on our website using a table. To do this, we'll use table tags, which include an opening table tag and a closing /table tag. To create rows in our table, we'll use TR tags, which stand for table rows. In our case, we'll have 2 rows, one for the days of the week and another for the corresponding exercise days. Let's start with the first row and use TH tags for table headers. We'll list the days of the week, starting from Sunday and going all the way to Saturday. Simply copy the TH tags for each day. Now that our table headers are in place, let's proceed to the second row where we'll input the data. To do this, we'll utilize TD tags for each table cell. Each cell will represent a particular day and its corresponding exercise schedule. For instance, let's assign Sunday as a rest day, Monday is chest day, Tuesday is shoulder day, Wednesday is biceps day, Thursday is leg day, Friday is back day, and Saturday as another rest day. Use the TD tags accordingly, assigning the appropriate information to each day. To style our table, let's color the first row, days of the week, with a dark gray background. We can achieve this by adding a BG color attribute to the opening TR tag for the first row and setting it to gray. For the second row, hours of operation, let's make it light gray by setting a different color using the BG color attribute on the opening TR tag. That's it. You've created a table in HTML. Feel free to customize it further by applying different colors or styling options. Remember, HTML provides flexibility for table design. Now add background to the whole table. For that, in the opening table tag, use BG color attribute. Set it to the orange. That's awesome. Currently, the cells in our table are left aligned. If we want to center them, we can use the align attribute within the opening TR tag. Set the align attribute to center, and the text in the cells will be centered. Additionally, let's make all the cells the same size. Currently, the Wednesday cell is taking up a lot of space. To address this, we can set the width of each cell. For example, let's set the width to 100 pixels. You can replicate this for all the cells. To ensure consistency, we'll also set the width of the entire table. Calculate the width by multiplying the width of each cell by the number of cells. For instance, if each cell has a width of 100 pixels and there are 7 cells, set the width attribute of the opening table tag to 700. There you go. Now all the cells are aligned, centered, and of equal size. That's how you create a table in HTML. Remember to use the table, TR, TH, and TD tags as explained. TH is used for headers, and TD is used for data cells. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.